You like to know how to charge your Eahora while you're out in the city? You ever see these public charging stations right here? That is currently my motorcycle plugged in, and it's currently charging. I'll show you the secret on how to do it. Watch my video. I was a little disappointed at the MP1 when I saw the charging cable that came out of the box and discovered that it's not a level 2 charger. However, I did find a way to do it. All right, today we're visiting the IBEW Local 481, the Electrical Training Institute. This here tap brings back such memories, because when I brought my electric vehicle the first time, I didn't have a plug at my house. And so for the first 50,000 miles I put on that car, I would plug in here and ride my scooter about a half a mile down the road, and then come back down here and pick it up when it was full. So a lot of fond memories of this particular tap. Now since then they've added 4 more over on the other edge of the parking lot, so now there's 10 taps here total, 2 more on the other side, and these are all free from the union. They offer this as a free green lot. But the question I have today is, can we charge this here? It's the Eahora Black Knight Edition, the MP1. Now when I did the unboxing video and I saw this cable, I got excited. I'm like, oh, I can charge it with level 2. I have a level 2 at my house now, conveniently enough. But I got to looking at it, and it is not a level 2 plug. So I was a little disappointed in it. But I found the solution, and I'm going to share that with you today. Now this is a big old charger. This is a pretty huge charger. That takes up most of the backpack. That's the part about it I don't like. And this plugs in to that. So you can either plug this directly into the battery, or you can use the socket and the quick charge port on there. Now this is a 110 device. A lot of these chargers from Eahora also have a switch on them that'll say 110, 220. That's the key to making this work. Level 2 charging is 220. These plug into the wall. These are 110 devices. So, 100 to 240 volts. That's part of the solution. The other part of the solution is this adapter. Now I'm going to share links in the description. I bought this for a pretty hefty price from a website, but since then some manufacturers have been putting some of these same exact ones on Amazon. I'll be sharing some affiliate links with you. If you buy it, it helps the channel. Doesn't cost you anything at all. It's just a free method of supporting Driver Mojo channel. But check this out. This is level 2, and this is your wall outlet. This still provides 220 from that charger back there. So you have to make sure that if you have one of these that you read and find out the information on it, make sure that it'll accept 220, or that you've switched it into 220 mode. And don't forget to switch it back when you get home. All right, I'm gonna show you how we hook it up. Free level 2 charging station coming down, going into our adapter. It's a 220 to 110 adapter. Coming into our normal battery charger that came with the Eahora. Notice that it says input 100 to 240 because that's feeding 220 into us. So this one is automatically will accept that. Some of these you have a switch on the back of here that you might have to use a little screwdriver and switch it from 110 to 220, and then you can do exactly the same thing. And then this one has a charger port gun that looks a lot like a level 2, but it is not. So this is charging at the normal rate of 110, and just as if it was plugged into the wall. The only benefit is you have some mobile options if you're gonna, and this one here happens to be a free mobile option. So I could sit here and go back here, sit on that picnic table back there, and have a sandwich, relax, go walk around in the shade. I just don't want to leave this equipment sitting out here. So that's the biggest caveat, I guess, with this. Plus, it's big and bulky, taking up all the space in your backpack. So there you have it. That's the Level 2 charging solution. Look for links in the description. We've got some Amazon links, and you might even get one that's just a straight adapter without the cable itself. It's just a hard plastic kind of adapter. So look for that in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends.